Hey guys, Johnny Nerd out here. Really excited about this video. I got a new product. It was sent to me by Bronco Bikes down in San Antonio. Big shout out to you guys for sending me this product. Because as you guys know, I love lights, I love bells, and I also love turn signals on e-bikes. But there hasn't been a lot of good systems out there for it until now. This is what I'm holding in my hand here, guys. It's still wrapped up. That's how new this is. This might be a game changer in my opinion. I really love this. I've just had it installed for about 30 seconds and been playing around with it. I'm like, this is freaking awesome. This is a front and rear light set with a horn and turn signals. Check that out. This light is freaking bright. It really is bright. I'll probably do a test here when it's really dark just to kind of show you. The rear light is also really bright, and it's got turn signals on this one. I don't know if you can see that. It's blinking. You know, this is blinking now. That might be more of a novelty than it's worth, but still like it. And then here's the horn. Let's check out the horn. It's loud. It's really loud. But it's good. If you're traveling 20 miles an hour plus, you need it to be loud. If you had a little dainty buzzer, it ain't gonna do anything. That's really loud. I really like that. I really like how bright this is. And let me show you how it is installed here. So this is the main wiring harness. This is coming off the motor, and all it is like a little linkage that goes in between here and here. So it's running off the main power. So it's not that 6-volt out like you can see. I don't know if you can see here. Most lights have a little 6-volt out, which, you know, if you want to go the 6-volt route, you can still do that. It's not going to be nearly as bright as this. I'm going to guess this is probably 600 lumens, maybe. It's a lot brighter. The 6-volt one is about 2 to 250. So this is, I would say, 2 to 3 times as bright. But yeah, it just goes in line with this here. They give you plenty of cord to run it, and it's just the same mounting as the 6-volt one that, you know, we've always been using. And then this is just going to attach to a rear rack. It's got those 2 bolts, and it also has a license plate holder on it. I don't know if you can see that or not. So it's got a license plate holder. You can put vanity license plate on there, like Too Hot to Handle or something like that, but with like the numbers. You can do something cool like that. And then it just attaches here to the rear rack. You gotta get a rear rack that's got a tab. Otherwise, you have to do some, you know, like everything else with custom e-bikes, figuring out how you're gonna attach it, zip ties or something. Love this. Check it out. I'm gonna start carrying this on my website. So check the link below if you want to get one of these. This is the ultimate in safety. Now all you need is a mirror. Get this in a mirror, and you're set. Oh, it's so bright. If you even look at it for a second, I really like this. This might even be brighter than 600. I don't know. All right, let's check out how bright it is. Alright, and I don't know if you can see there's headlight. Turn that on, off. And then turn signals here. So it's a pretty small thing. It just clamps onto a normal size handlebar. Check it out. Get one for your bike. You don't need a 6-volt out. This will work with any Bafang motor kit that just uses that standard wiring harness. You don't need a headlight out. So if you do have a motor kit that doesn't have that, you don't have to worry about it anymore. Alright, later guys.